Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm gonna do a video walkthrough of our 2024 Bennington 23-foot LX. Some cool features I want to point out on the LX is the inlaid headlights. Pretty cool look right there. We got the nice flat paneling, gives it a cool, clean look. Blackout package, and then the LX Sport graphics. We got this boat equipped with a ski tow bar and a 200 Mercury, so handle all your water sports and cruising needs. I'm going to take you up the nice lily pad ladder and show you the inside of the boat. All right, so point out a couple features here in the bow. Nice wide seating on this model, very comfortable slope backs, storage under all the seats, and we got the speakers in the inlay area by the cup holders and some movable cup holders for you. Nice wide walk through here. Over on the helm area, nice big comfortable captain's chair up on a raised helm. Got the Simrad navigation, Rockford Fosgate, and this does have the cool RGB lighting on this boat. On the opposite side over here, we got the nice L-shaped playpen layout, lots of seating, real good conversational. Got the table here hanging out, and this is a swing back layout, so the seat will swing back and you got a nice sun pad here. It does have the 10-foot bimini, so great boat. Come on out and check this boat out at MarineMax. It is a 23 LX Sport with a 200 Mercury, and we'll have it in our showroom. We'll put it up on our website, and you can always just give us a phone call at 864-236-9005.